we're asked to solve this equation. We note that we have fractions in this equation, so we want to multiply by the least common denominator so that we can get rid of the denominators. To do that in this case, we're going to factor the last denominator. The other two are already factored. When we factor this denominator, we will get x minus 8 times x minus 2. So the LCD has to contain x minus 8, has to contain x minus 2, and it has to contain x minus 8 times x minus 2, which we already have. So our LCD is as given. I will now rewrite my equation as it is given. I will leave the denominator in the right-hand side factored, and I will multiply each side of the equation by my LCD, which is x minus 8 times x minus 2. Now, I can distribute this through. For the first piece, we notice that we have a common factor of x minus 8. So the x minus 8s will cancel when I multiply. So I'll end up with x minus 2 times x. Now, we'll multiply this times the second piece. We notice that we have a common factor of x minus 2. So we'll have x minus 8 times 6. On the right-hand side, we notice that we will be able to divide out the x minus 8 times x minus 2, so we're simply left with an x squared. Now I have to simplify by using the distributive property on the left. So we'll have x squared minus 2x. Here we'll have 6x minus 48 equals x squared. We can subtract x squared from both sides of the equation. If I do that, I'll have minus 2x plus 6x minus 48 equals 0. Next, I notice that we have some x terms on the same side of the equation, so we'll just combine those and we'll have 4x minus 48 equals 0. We can then add 48 to both sides of the equation and then divide both sides by 4. And 48 divided by 4 is 12. We need to then put this back into the original equation. We know that we get an obtained value of x equals 12. If I were to put 12 back into this equation, I'm concerned about dividing by 0. So 12 minus 8 does not produce 0. 12 minus 2 does not produce 0. 12 minus 8 times 12 minus 2 does not produce 0. So we can indeed assume that the solution to this equation is x equals 12.